Good day, everybody. My name is Hausman Test. I'm presenting a paper titled "The Degree of Households' Vulnerability to Climate Variability in Nigeria," and my co-author is Olajide O. Adeola. Climate variability is the oscillation about a mean weather condition of a place over a short period of time. It has been known that climate variability affects every sector in any given economy, but agricultural sectors remain the most vulnerable due to its overdependence on climate variables. But there is still little known on the degree of households' vulnerability to climate variability in Nigeria. Research questions. What are the socio-economic characteristics of the respondent in the study area? Is there any relationship between crop production and rainfall pattern in the study area? How vulnerable are the respondents to climate variability in the study area? What are the effects of climate variability on agricultural productivity in the study area? The research of the objective. The objective of this study is to examine the socio-economic characteristics of the respondents in Nigeria, examine the relationship between crop production and rainfall pattern, examine the vulnerability of households to climate variability in Nigeria, and to examine the effect of climate variability on agricultural productivity. Methodology. The study area is Nigeria. Source of data. The data was sourced from National Bureau of Statistics. It's a living standard measurement survey 2010, 2011, and 2012, 2013 respectively. Analytical technique, descriptive analysis, correlation analysis, household vulnerability index VI, and fixed effect regression analysis were used to analyze the above stated objectives. We have a table 1 showing the household vulnerability index, adaptive capacity, sensitivity, exposure, then methodology, continuation, multiple regression analysis. This is the model. Data limitation. There are some limitations to the data used for this research due to some missing variables. Results and discussions. Socio-economic characteristics of the respondents. It was discovered that most of the respondents were within the age range of 19 to 54, which shows that they are in the active age and they will do anything to adapt to climate variability and to sustain their living. And the majority of them has an average household size. Then most of them have one form of education or the other. This is table 2 showing the characteristics of the respondent. Table 3, correlation analysis of rainfall variation and crop yield. This shows that there is high correlation between rainfall pattern and the yield of crop in this area, and this suggests that the yield of households in this area might have been sensitive to too much rainfall over some times. This might expose them to hazard by reducing the percentage of land used for farming and loss of nutrients through flooding. Table 4 showing the principal component analysis, and this is from this table we are able to generate the variable used for HVI, and this is a table showing a household vulnerability index across the zones. This table 5 shows that majority of the households in the area, they are vulnerable to climate variability. Also, this might be as a result of lower level of literacy in the study area, and it's aligned with MAD 2030 statistics which experience vulnerability when located in the northern geopolitical zones in Nigeria. Effect of climate variability on agricultural productivity. Table 5 shows that the variables, they are significant at 1% confidence interval. This result of the fixed regression show that the condition of variation in precipitation has significant negative influence on the yield, and this shows that a unit increase in precipitation will lead to 0.00970 tons decrease in yield. This must be as a result of excessive rainfall over time, and the temperature shows that a unit increase in temperature will lead to a unit increase in agricultural productivity, and this might also be as a result of some heat-loving crops in Nigeria. Conclusion and summary. It was concluded that most of the households in the area were within the age range of 19 to 54. It shows that they are in the active field and they will do anything to sustain their living. And it was established that households in the area are vulnerable to climate variability. And it shows that climate variability has both positive and negative influence on the agricultural productivity. Thus, policies will be geared towards increased farm size and access to irrigation, which could help them to adapt to climate variability, and policies on social protection scheme which could reduce the vulnerability of households to climate variability is essential. at this time. This will reduce their sensitivity and exposure and also increase their adaptive capacity. Thank you for listening.